A very warm welcome to all dear students. We already completed short questions of chapter 6, retirement or death of a partner. Even in the first lecture we solved theory 2. Now it's a turn of long questions. Easy, comparatively easier than the admission questions. Yes, because comparatively less P&L ratio circumstances and less even the goodwill circumstances. Okay, so let's continue solving question number 5 of your exercise. Now you may feel surprised to see these 3 formats only: revaluation account, partners capital account, and balance sheet. Here cash or bank account is not there. Why? Explaining you, don't worry. Normally we have to draw 4 formats: revaluation, partners capital or current, cash or bank account, balance sheet. Okay? But in this chapter, in retirement or death, if you can go through the question properly and if you can understand that there is no transaction of cash or bank, in that case, if you have not prepared it, it's okay. But do take care. If there is a transaction of cash or bank, in that case you must prepare that. Okay? To avoid such problem, whether to prepare, whether not to prepare, what majority of the students are doing, they used to draw cash or bank. Even we can also in this question. At the end, I will show you, which is not actually required, that if we prepare cash or bank account, only balance brought forward, nothing else, directly balance carry forward. No other transaction. So we are not preparing cash or bank in this question. But for you people, if you want to draw that, you can draw revaluation, capital, then cash or bank of 4 to 5 lines, and then balance sheet. You can draw definitely. There is nothing new. Okay? Let's go through the question first. Take the adjustments, and during the solution, I am explaining what is the difference between admission and retirement in long questions. Okay? Don't bother about goodwill and other things. Here the difference is while closing capital account, and that also easy, don't worry. Okay? But definitely in admission 2 partners are there and third we are admitting. In retirement, if 3 partners are there, one is going to retire. So initially both extremes. So there is a little bit difference while closing capital account. That I will explain later on at the time of closing of capital account. At present, let's go to the question as usual. Please do concentrate in the question and do proper tick marks. Okay? Dhaval, Kamal and Naval are the partners sharing profit loss in the ratio of 2:1. Naval retires on 31/3/16. Balance sheet of the firm as on that date was as under: capital, general reserve, investment fluctuation, budget reserve and creditors. Same like it was in admission. Goodwill, machinery, investment, debtors, stock and cash or bank. Following adjustments are agreed at the time of retirement. First, do proper tick marks. Value of machinery is 25,000. Value of stock is 5,000. So first adjustment in machinery and stock. Okay. Then second, value of investment is 8,000, which is taken by Naval at this price. Okay. So in investment fluctuation fund as well as in investment. Second adjustment. Third, amount of 5,000 included in creditors is now no longer payable. It's a benefit. So third in creditors. Fourth, provision for workman compensation is to be credited at 2,000. Here no workman compensation given. So itself fourth adjustment. Fifth, provision for doubtful debt is to be kept at 10%. So on debtors. And sixth, goodwill of the firm is valued at 40,000. So itself again. What to do about goodwill given in the adjustment? We already saw this kind of things in short questions, but even today also I am going to explain. Don't worry. Okay? Is that clear? Here nothing is given related to new ratio. Nothing is given related to gain ratio. What does it mean? That means here old ratio and gain both are remain same. Okay? So there is no need to do working note for that. So the only thing is goodwill given in the question. Okay? Let's start. How to start retirement question? So there is nothing new. Like we were doing in admission. Nothing new. Once again I am saying the same thing. See, even a benefit, let me tell you, of this chapter. A benefit. Normally if you ask anyone, your senior one, they always used to say that retirement is little bit tough than the admission. But actually it is not like that. Actually it is not like that. Let me say retirement is easy. Why is it so? Because in retirement you can never have the adjustment of new partner's capital. Because you are not admitting. And because you are not admitting, new partner is not going to bring goodwill. So there is no scope of premium for goodwill. All these topics were a bit tough in admission, which is not there in retirement. Okay? In retirement, you have to take care of only one thing, that is closing capital. And if you do proper practice from the beginning, it's really easy. And what I personally believe, it's easy and I'm having a smile on my face. Why? Because it will give you 8 out of 8 in your mark sheet. Okay? Let's start. As usual, like in admission, from the liability side, capital. So in capital account, by balance brought forward, Dhaval, Kunal and Naval. It is not Kunal, it is Kamal rather. Let me change the name. It is Kamal. Okay, over here also. I know some of you are just raising the question, but I wrote Kunal instead of Kamal. It was wrong, so naturally even I also have to rectify it. The Kamal and Naval, 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. 30,000. Nothing new, huh? The same like in admission. So definitely these are the bonus points. General reserve 5,000 again same concept. by general reserve account. 5,000 is old ratio, that is 2 is to 2 is to 1. So 2,000, 2,000, 1,000. Okay? Next one is investment fluctuation fund. For that, we have to check the adjustments also. Here, investment fluctuation fund is 2,500 and investment is of 10,000. What they say? In second adjustment, value of investment is 8,000. Means investment reduced by 2,000. So out of 2,500, we will use 2,000 and remaining 500 we will distribute. Okay? As I said previously also, if you are not going to show, that is also very okay. If you want to show, you can show on liability side. But before that, partners capital. Now take care. Here, one partner is retiring. Mr. Naval is retiring. So only two partners, Naval and Kamal. Naval and Kamal. Only two partners. Okay? Now, investment fluctuation fund. I'm not going to show the effect over here because we already did so many questions in admission. The same topic. But at present I am showing, but net it's not good. Investment fluctuation fund 2,500 less investment reduced 2,000. 500 left less transfer to capital account. So why to do so many things when you want to save the time? There's no need. Still I do it because still I did it just because again you can get that concepts very clearly. Okay? So here by investment fluctuation fund 500 rupees, so 200, 200, 100. Is it okay? For investment, obviously while taking investment, we will take the second effect. Then budget reserve 2,000. Here again an adjustment. Provision for doubtful debt is to be kept at 10% on debtors. So obviously we are going to take at the time of debtors and creditors 15,500. Creditors 15,500. Okay? They say in third adjustment, amount of 5,000 included in creditors now not to be paid, less not payable 5,000 net 10,500. Is it okay? Second effect, because it is reduced on credit side by creditors, amount is 5,000 in a column amount. Okay. Next, from the asset side, goodwill 10,000. It's old goodwill, so we have to distribute in partners capital account to goodwill. Okay, 10,000. So 2 is to 2 is to 1. 4,000, 4,000, 2,000. Is that clear? Next one, that is machinery, 20,000. They say value of machinery is 25,000. Machinery, $20,000, and increase 5,000, net 25,000. Is that clear? Second effect, because increase by machine or machinery 5,000. Any problem? Next one, investment 10,000. Investment. Investment 10,000. Okay. What they say in second investment, they say value of investment is 8,000 and it is taken over by Novel. First of all, 2,000 reduced. Second effect of this. Okay. See, I am going to remove it. So you can just check how we are doing it. Less, reduce 2,000. 8,000 is remaining, less taken over, taken by Novel, and 8,000 dash. Now 2,000 already having second effect over here. Okay, for 8,000 taken over by Novel. In Novel's capital account to investment, Novel's capital account 8,000. Why is it on debit side? Just because when asset reduce, always cross. Asset increase, always straight. Whether it's revaluation or capital, both are basically account. Okay? So the rule will remain same. Whenever reduced, give cross effect, that is debit effect. Whenever increased, asset, I am talking about assets. Whenever increased, give same straight, that is credit effect. Okay? Now, just check once, twice about the investment topic. Investment fluctuation fund, investment in capital account, investment fluctuation fund, and investment. Check twice because maybe possible I may going to remove it. Okay? Is there any problem? See, the same topics we are doing, nothing new. Nothing new. We did the same things in admission. And not only in one question, we did these things in 2, 3, 4 questions. So you can check that also. You can refer that also. Any problem? Sure? Check twice. Okay, good. If there is no problem, let's continue. Debtors. At present I am not removing this, don't worry. But definitely it's not good that every time we should write this because it consumes more time, nothing else. If you want to write it, you have to increase your speed a little bit. Debtors 30,000. Here debtors 30,000 and fifth adjustment connected with 8. What they say? That 10% by debt reserve. First of all, debtors. 30,000 less bad debt reserve 3,000 27,000. Okay, same like admission. Second effect. Now take care, on the liability side 2,000 bad debt reserve is already given. So first of all, bad debt reserve was 2,000, now 3,000. So 2 bad debt reserve 1,000. To bracket you can write 3,000 minus 2,000. No need to write this, just for your clarification I am writing. Okay? Next one, stock 10,000. And first adjustment they say value of stock is 5,000. Stock 10,000 less reduce 5,000 net outer column 5,000. Okay, asset reduced, so naturally on the debit side to store 5,000. Okay, so here cash and bank, as we have not prepared cash or bank account, directly you can write the amount. If you are preparing cash or bank, then you have to write balance brought forward in that. Here cash or bank is 5,000 rupees. You can check your adjustments. There is no transaction of cash or bank. So if you write on debit side to balance brought forward, just for example, I am removing it. Just for example, if this is a cash account, just it's an example, don't do it. To balance BF, no transaction is there. So directly total 5,000, same total 5,000, then 5,000, balance this kind of measure will be prepared if you want to prepare. Okay, so no need to prepare this kind of measure unnecessarily. If you want to prepare, you can. Then it's a matter of 4 to 5 lines. Okay, let me remove this because there is no need of this. We are going to use this place for the working out of goodwill. Okay, now let's continue. We already have cash or bank. Then from the adjustments, balance sheet completed. First adjustment, value of machinery and stock already completed. Second, value of investment, we did it. Do take care of the effects. Third, amount of 5,000 incurred in creditors not payable, we completed. Fourth, a provision for workman compensation is to be credited at 2,000. Now take care. When they are using the word credited, it's very good. Why is it so? Because the person, the student, not doing proper practice will credit it over here. They never use their brain. Because for this kind of concept, there is nothing in the brain. Just because they didn't do proper practice. Actually credited means it's a liability. So they want to say create workman compensation of rupees 2,000. Workman compensation fund 2,000. Liability increased should be on the debit side. So 2 workman compensation fund 2000. Okay. Next one. Provision for doubtful debt is to be kept at 10% on debtors. We already completed. And goodwill of the firm is valued at 40,000. Goodwill, like in admission, goodwill is never connected with this. So, except goodwill, everything is over. So, let's, as per the normal pattern, let's complete this first. Credit side total is more, 10,000. Same total, debit side, and only 8,000 is there. So 2,000. That is the profit of valuation to capital account. All three name Dhaval, Kamal and Naval in their old P&L ratio 2:1. So 800 and 400 a positive value by revaluation account 800 400. Is it okay? Any problem? Now only one thing left. Before I start that, there is a topic of goodwill. You check once. Is there any doubt? Any question? Any confusion related to the any topic? Sure? Again, let me tell you two things. One, investment, which is not new for you, but still you should take care. And second, even I liked workman compensation adjustment also because they use the word credited. Okay? So by mistake, you people may do credit effect in revaluation. And you know that very well, my dear students. If revaluation is wrong, every place it affects in capital account, in balance sheet, everywhere. Yes, everywhere. Okay? So take care. We are not supposed to do that kind of mistake. Actually, no mistake should be. Not that kind of mistake. Not a single mistake should be committed by our student. Okay? Now, only goodwill topic left. Old goodwill we already distributed in old ratio. But here, this is goodwill of the firm is valued at 40,000. Clear? So let's do a working note first for the goodwill and then we'll solve it by entering into capital account. Goodwill, the name of corporate. Total amount. $40,000. Now we have to find only retiring partners share. Naval's share of goodwill equals to 40,000 into old ratio 2:1. So 1/5 equals to 8,000 rupees. Okay? Now Naval is retiring. So goodwill is to be credited to Naval's account, which is to be borne by existing or remaining, again let me repeat, which is to be borne by existing or remaining partners in their gain ratio. Here the gain ratio is same because 2:2 old ratio. 8,000. So let me write the entry over here because it's the first question. Okay? Let me write the entry. I am not drawing the format, but the entry, journal entry. Actually, I would like to tell you to prepare, but then I feel during this that let me do the entry. Naval account must be credited for that. So the remaining two partners, date 1, Gaval, capital account, debit, 8,000 equally 4,000, Kamal, capital account, debit. They both are going to bear it to Naval's capital account, 8,000. Okay? You also must pass the entry as in admission in retirement also. For each and every question, you are supposed to do working note, whatever is needed, and goodwill entry if it is that in the question. Because we are always working for full marks. And then actually all the details must be presented properly. So here, from the entry, we can say double and common both capital account must be debited. Okay? So on the debit side, to Naval's capital account. To Naval's capital account into bracket goodwill, Dhaval and Kamal, 4,000. Here, an opposite effect in Naval's capital account. So by Dhaval capital account, in Naval's column 4,000, and by Kamal's capital account, again Naval's column 4,000. Okay, here we did entry and posting of goodwill. You check it because this is first question. Every time almost the similar concept. The only difference is that they may give you some information related to gain, related to new ratio. In that case, you have to find out gain. If not given, a new ratio is given, and you have to adjust this goodwill. You have to debit this goodwill in gaining ratio. That is the only difference. That is the only difference. Okay? Rest, almost everything is same for goodwill. Is there any question? Confusion? Sure? Now, let's close capital account. Let's close capital account. Here, the most important thing is, in 99% cases, you have to close capital account of retiring partner first. Okay? It all depends on the condition, but no specific condition given. If no specific condition given, you may ask, sir, specific condition means That I will tell you later on. Because if I will explain at present, you can't understand anything. Okay? But if no specific condition given about capital, let me say about capital, in that case, retiring partner's capital account must be closed first. Okay? First. Second, very important thing again, what to do about retiring partner's capital? What to do about retiring partner's capital? The balance. Here it is 10,000, 11,000, 19,500 and 10,000. So net 9,500 is the balance of retiring partner. Now we have two options. Say it's not depends on us, huh? It depends on the instruction given in the question. One, we can pay to retiring partner. Here, 9,500, we can pay to retiring partner. Second, we can keep that balance as his loan in the form. Again, having two options. One, retiring partner can be paid cash from the firm. Second, retiring partner can keep his amount as loan in the firm. Now, important thing is when there is no clarification of the option whether to keep loan or whether to pay amount. Like in this question, you can go through the question again. Is there any clarification? Is there any clarification in the question? What to do about retiring partner's amount? Here it is not. I am not finding anywhere. In that case, always you have to keep retiring partner's balance as loan. Again, when there is no instruction about retiring partner's capital, when you can write as a rule, when there is no clarification about retiring partner's capital, always it should be considered as his loan. Okay? So here, first of all, let's close Nawal's account. Here 19,500. The same 19,500. Now balance. Don't write in last line because still we have to find balance of this two. So put 2-3 lines blank above the total and then write the difference. 9,500. This should be considered as loan of Nawal. So to Nawal's loan account. To Nawal's loan account. And because it is a liability for the firm, second effect, Nawal's loan. 9,500. Is that clear? Again, understand it properly. When there is no clarification, of retiring partner's capital, at that time we must keep his balance as loan in the firm. And so on the debit side of capital account should be written as partner's loan with the name of partner naturally, and the second effect must be given only at one place, that is on the liability side. Is that clear? Now rest of the two partners, that is very easy. Normally closing capital account. Here for Kamal it is 23,000. same 23,000 over here. By deducting 8,000, 15,000. It's the balance. Here normally in addition, to balance carried forward. Okay? And for double, it is 33,000. Over here again 8,000, so 25,000. Same total. So the balance of remaining two partners are 25,000 and 15,000. Should be written in balance sheet. Okay? 25,000 and 15,000. Total 40,000. Is that clear? Now, already completed evaluation, capital also, cash or bank. There is no need to prepare in this question. So directly the total, that is 40,000, 49, 40,000, 50,000, then 61, 62,000 is the total of balance sheet. Naturally the same must be here 52 plus 10, 62,000. Here we completed question number 5 of your textbook. Okay? At last, again let me tell you, investment adjustment, workman compensation adjustment, goodwill and its entry, not only entry, even the posting of it, and at last, again for the 4th time I am saying the same rule. Whenever no clarification about retiring partner's capital, at that time we must keep that amount as loan in the form. So on the debit side, it should be written as respective partners loan account, and the same second effect on the liability side. Okay? A question you may have in your mind. Sir, if clarification about paying the amount, then we'll do it later on. This is just the first question of exercise. Long question. So, still so many questions we are going to solve. Okay? At one stretch, don't just do everything. Otherwise, you might get confused. Here at present, you have to remember, when there is no clarification, it should be as loan. Okay? Please take care. This was the first question of your retirement chapter. So please do revise it once, twice. Even can go through an illustration also. If you want to solve illustration, you can start solving long questions illustration. Okay? No need for me to tell you that this is in homework, this is in homework. You are matured enough. Whenever I feel like that, definitely I will write it on the board that this is your homework. But at present, I'm sure you are going to start solving first or second illustration of long question. So in next session, naturally again the same long questions we are going to continuing with some different topics, different points about retiring partner. Till then, as usual, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay happy, and have a nice day.